Hey, so supposedly Phil supposed to be stuck in the mud. We about to go investigate. I got Derek. I got a little Sweet Lips right there, putting his glasses on. Let's see what's going on around the corner. My boy is stuck in the mud. You gotta pull your foot out. Pull your foot out, bruh. There you go. Somebody gotta get him some wood. My boy's stuck in quicksand. You gotta bring him that pallet, bruh. Which way you came in, Phil?
Come on, buddy.
Oh my God.
You can't
Put it on Facebook, bro. I can't throw it that far.
Hey, get him a board. Throw that pallet over there. Look, Derek getting stuck too. Quicksand, bruh. Throw that pallet over there for him. Don't hit him with it. Oh shit, that ain't shit. Hey, look, step on that one. Bring that one over there and step on that one. Come on, man. Help the man, bruh. Help the man, bruh. The man's stuck. There you go.
Jump.
Come on, pull that thing. Pull it, pull it.
Oh, shit, I missed it.
Oh, I got it all. Don't worry. I got every second of it. Don't fall, Phil.
Fall, your face gets stuck.
Damn, boy, you in there.
Yeah.
Hey!
All right.